A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This timeless proverb perfectly captures the spirit of Noli Billioned, a man whose resilient journey in farming started with a dream and a determination that would withstand any storm.
Ako si Noli Billioned, tagpuyo sa Tungaw, Butuan City, Agusan del Norte, tag-iya sa Billioned Agricultural Learning Center. Sa bata pa ko, maugyod ni ang akong nadak-an as a farming. Gigamit na ako ang akong fashion sa farming. First, nagbuhi og baboy, upat lang ka buok. Antod ato ning abot og 7 ka buok. Antod 13 nagkadugay, naghan ni abot og 33 ka anay, upat ka butakal, mga fattening og nay piglets. 2020 ni abot ang ASF. Grabe dito nako ka problema. Halos tanan baboy nako horot. So after ato pila ka months ni balik ko og baboy naigo na pud gihapon.
Despite this loss, he rebuilt his farm through trainings and interventions from government agencies. With the knowledge he gained, he implemented and practiced critical biosecurity measures on his farm. He also became a learning site in agriculture and attends the accredited farm school, offering valuable training to others, passing on his knowledge and wisdom to the next generation of farmers. The Billioned Agricultural Learning Center began offering on-the-job training for senior high school students under the Technical Vocational Livelihood strand, helping them gain hands-on experience on the agricultural field. His farm also became a beneficiary of the Swine Industry Recovery Program, or SIRP, an invaluable support that has allowed him to continue and expand his livestock operation.
Karon naghinahinay ko balik og babuyan. ATI, DE, pasalamaton ako nga sa ilang mga trainings, nakaabil ko sa trainings nga gihatag nila sa ako sa mga trainings about sa livestock. Dito po nako nahasa ang ako mga nakatunan gikan sa ATI nga mga trainings. So gi-apply nako sa akong babuyan.
Noli Billioned's journey proves that resilience, passion, and hard work can overcome any obstacles. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the unyielding spirit of a farmer. No matter the trials, the journey is always worth it.
Sa mga challenges nga niabot sa akong kinabuhi, mao ni ang naghatag sa akong motivation nga magbalik og babuyan og farming. Sa giingon nila, hard work and determination is a key to success. Daghan kayong salamat.